Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that many people misunderstand. Creativity is a habit, not a gift. People often look at an artist and say, "You are so gifted." It sounds like creativity is something only a few lucky people are born with. But I don't believe that. I believe creativity grows through practice. The more we create, the more creative we become. Think about a musician. They don't become skilled by playing only once a month. They practice again and again. And athletes train every day. A writer write regularly. Artists are no different. Creativity becomes stronger every time we pick up our brush. Many people wait for inspiration before they start painting. They think I will paint when I feel creative. But creativity doesn't always come fast. Very often it arrives while we are working. One simple brush stroke lead to another. One small idea lead to a bigger one. Actions create inspiration. The good news is that anyone can build this habit. You don't need to paint for hours every day. Even 20 minutes of painting, sketching, or studying colors can make a difference. What matters is showing up consistently. Small effort repeated over time lead to amazing results. There will be days when your painting goes well, and there will be days when nothing seems to work. Don't let that stop you. Creativity is not about making a perfect painting every day. It is about keeping your mind open, your hand moving, and your curiosity alive. The more you paint, the more ideas you discover. You begin to notice beautiful light, interesting colors, and simple scenes that you once ignored. Your eyes start seeing the world differently. That is how creativity grows, not by waiting, but by doing. Never compare your creativity with someone else. Every artist has a unique way of seeing the world. Your ideas come from your own experience, your memories, and your imagination. That is something no one else can copy. If you ever think I am not creative enough, remember that creativity is like a muscles. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Every sketch, every color study, and every painting is another exercise that help you grow. So make creativity as a habit. Keep a sketchbook nearby. Paint whenever you can. Try new colors, new subject, and new ideas. Don't worry about making masterpiece every time. Just enjoy creating. One day people may look at your paintings and say, "You are so talented." They may never see the years of practice, patience, and dedication behind of your work. But you will know the truth. Your creativity didn't appear overnight. It grew because you kept showing up with your brush day after day. Always remember, creativity is not a gift given to working people. It is a habit that anyone can build with passion, patience, and practice. Thank you for listening and happy painting to all of you.